is now underway. JRU versus EAC featured in the main game. EAC 3 and 4, JRU 2 and 5. Third quarter scoring, dikit pa rin yan pero nailapit ng konti ng EAC ang score. They're able to trim the lead to down to 1.
Ayun na naman, yung offensive rebound na naman yun. Lagpas na yung bola. Muntik pa makuha ni Giyab.
Hindi pa na-address ng EAC, ano?
Oo, kanina pa. Ako niya kung ganyan, alam mong rebounder yung tao mo. Wag na tayong rumibang parehas. Ibigay mo sa iba. Hindi, pag bumbaga, nakuha ng ibang kalaban, as long as hindi ko tao, nagawa ko yung trabaho ko.
That's right. Kasi kanina pa, again, 19 offensive boards now for the Heavy Bombers. Giyab left it short.
Ayan na naman.
Another one. 20th offensive rebound for the Heavy Bombers. Argente. Didiskarte. Argente. Difficult take. And we have a pull underneath. Pero Big Bo.
Nandun na naman yung dalawa. Sila. Si Giyab tsaka itong
si De Leon.
Si De Leon. Kumbaga nasa posisyon naman sila to get the offensive rebound. Diba?
And we'll check this one out. Kasi bumagsak si De Leon off the pull down.
Ayun.
Oh yeah.
Hinatang nito ni Loresto. Wala na silang magawa kasi nga nakaposisyon na yung dalawa. Talagang hahatake mo na lang siya kasi nga pag bumagsak sa kanilang dalawa, it's either between Giyab and De Leon. So, itong si Loresto, hindi mo makukuha yan. Kaya lang medyo napasobra.
Kasi talagang sandwich dun si Loresto.
Sa gitna ni Giyab tsaka ni De Leon
Okay, so that's Jello Loresto, but that's
after a good start para dito kay Pagsanghan.
Tahimik na
siya. Wala pa siya hanggang ngayon sa ball game natin.
Only 4 points para kay Harvey Pagsanghan. Although he does have 7 rebounds, pero mas kailangan yung kanyang scoring.
Kasi dikit Diba? And yung playing time na dapat para kay Oftana napupunta dito kay Loresto. Dahil kanina pa sila nakukuhanin ng offensive rebound ng JRU.
No Jet Bakud today for EAC, pati si David Nilag. Parehong big men yan ni Coach Jerson Cabiltes. So, he is, again, this is already a thin front line for EAC to begin with. They only have Luciano, Loresto, and Umpad left.
Pati si
Oftana as a stretch 4. Okay. So this is the final verdict through Chief Kenny Regino. That's just going to be a foul.
Foul on Giyab.
But an unsportsmanlike foul is whistled.
Loresto. 2 shots para kay De Leon. Plus they will retain the possession.
Okay. De Leon to the line. That's been the problem for some of the players nitong JRU. 8th miss from the line. And Loresto and referee Glenn Cornelio chatting up and trying to explain the call.
Yung problema na na-announce na wala ka na magagawa. Kumbaga, you need to do a better job next time of boxing out. Yun nga, parang kumbaga ako, on my part, you need to choose Hindi mo mababox out both Kailangan mo mabili.
Ang isa,
it's either, box outin mo si Giyab or box outin mo si De Leon.
Kahit sa rebound, tao-tao na kayo dapat.
Hindi pwedeng dalawa pa box outin mo, lugi ka.
Correct. Raimundo, wala na naman.
Nandun na naman sana yung Giyab sa ilalim.
Pero si Oftana ang nakakuha. Bagsak si Wilmar. But it goes back to JRU side.
Kung ano yung ginagawang hounding ng EAC kanina dito sa side na to, ganun ang nangyari doon. Pre-measure si Oftana, wala na siya mapuntahan, wala na siya mapasahan.
By the way, kanina, Jello Loristo, pinaupo muna dahil 4 na yung kanyang foul. Off the inbound, Raimundo nails it. So that extends JRU's lead to 4. Raimundo now with 6.
Ganda nung inbound plays nila na yun.
Chavo pulls the trigger.
Way off. Way off, way off.
Too quick on the trigger for Kyle that time. Hindi sila nakaset up.
Medyo malayo yung ano. Kita natin dito yung tira niya na tabingi talaga.
De Leon. Bouncing it off the foot of Kenal. Balik kay Raimundo. Maigsi to. Raimundo gets it back. Feeds Kia for the easy deuce. And JRU with a faster start here in the 4th quarter. Timeout kagad ang tinawag ni Coach Jerson Cabiltes. Jerson Cabiltes, you know, he has this formidable lineup. They will be put to the test against the Red Lions today. Harvey Bagsanhan drains it from long.
Nakita yung mismatch dun.
Axel Doromal. Harvey all
Third
day.
try.
Yes! Bagsanhan with his second triple in the first.
Good start for Bagsanhan.
Back to the coverage, still at the timeout. We'll use this opportunity to throw it back courtside. Nandito ulit si Yan Supan. Yan, go ahead.
Martin and Bo, before the game, JRU's coaching staff told me that the Heavy Bombers need to compete in all quarters of the game. Hindi pwedeng majority of the game. It has to be the entire game. They have to stick to the flow and stay consistent from the start to the end of the play. The coaching staff thinks that the Heavy Bombers are playing good defensively, but they need to convert their offensive rebounds. They say that the Generals are playing at a high pace, and now is the perfect time to match this. Now back to you, Martin and Bo.
I think those are the key words for JRU. Convert those second chances. Convert when you get your offensive rebounds. Thank you for that, Yen. And they have to be consistent here. So far, they've been consistent defensively. And, you know, it has bore fruits for them so far. 6 na ang abante nila dito, Bo.
Oo, yan yan. Yung gagawa naman nila, they're getting the offensive rebounds.
Yeah. Uy!
Making the offensive rebounds, yun na lang ang kulang.
Ball is tapped to Gortiza, who is back in the contest. Doromal is left with space.
Short. Ganda ng box out ni Bernardo. Si Luciano pa binax out niya doon, ha?
Yeah.
Yung nga sinasabi natin eh, kailangan mo munang bumax out even if you're an athletic guy. Kahit gaano ka kalakas tumalong, pagka naitulak at wala ka na, off balance ka na.
Yeah.
Backdoor.
Raimundo! Nakaunahan si Doromal.
Nautakan si Doromal doon. In-overplay nila kasi si Bernardo, going for the handoff. In-overplay nila, parang tinatap block nila eh.
Yeah.
Bumakdor si Raimundo, ayun. Foul lang na-commit ni Doromal.
Nice movement coming from MJ Raimundo. And Raimundo is back to the free throw line. He's slowly getting his numbers. 6 points and 10 rebounds with 3 assists, 3 steals, and a block for MJ Raimundo. Struggle nga lang sa field, 3 out of 10. But he is still producing in other ways.
Oo, yun nga. Kumbaga, if you're struggling on offense, you need to find ways to help your team.
Yeah.
Diba? He has 3 assists, he has 3 steals, so parang kumbaga pag kinonvert mo lahat yun, 12 na rin eh.
Correct.
Diba?
That's true. May assist pa. O ito, 2 out of 2 for MJ Raimundo. And the lead is at its biggest for the Heavy Bombers. 8-point advantage here in the 4th.
Dito lang sa 4th nagkaroon ng ganyang kalaking lead dito sa ball game natin. They go to Oftana at the post. He has a mismatch.
And EAC hasn't scored in the 4th quarter.
Kaya naman binalik niya na agad itong mga veterano niya rito. Gortiza, Oftana, Bagsanhan, Doromal.
Yeah.
Diba?
And he's going with Umpad here with Loristo saddled with the 4 fouls. Gortiza. Gortiza backing down on Argente. Turnaround jumper.
Wala pa rin.
Is off.
Uy.
And Oftana will be whistled for the foul. Wilmar Oftana Siya rin, Big Bo, pang-apat niya.
Ayun lang. That's why he's not playing. That's why yung playing minutes niya napupunta kay Loristo dahil 3 na pala siya kanina. Pang-apat niya ngayon.
Loristo, Oftana, both with 4 fouls. And JRU is finding the rhythm here in the fourth. 7 unanswered in the first 3 minutes of the final frame.
Nakazone ng EAC.
Argente, cross-court pass. Pull-up jumper. MJ comes
Rebound
up short.
naman.
And again, it's Joshua Giab. Bernardo.
Wala. Rebound na naman.
Oh!
Diba?
That's the story. Yeah.
That's the story of this ball game. They keep on giving up those offensive rebounds.
Check this, Big Bo. JRU is about to surpass yung offensive rebound nila. Malalagpasan yung defensive rebounding numbers nila.
Can you imagine that? Diba? The first one, it was Gia. The next thing, it was De Leon. Diba?
Yeah. Because JRU has 23 offensive boards and 24 defensive rebounds. Okay. March De Leon misses though on the first. Ito naman yung sinasabi ni Coach Louie. Base sa report natin kanina from Yen, they need to convert. Diba? You have chances. You gotta convert.
Kaya nga free throws. Kasi libre. Pag isa ka dyan, 0 out of 2. Diba? Pwede ka rin kasing i-hound dito pagdating ng dulo eh.
Yeah.
Pag dikitan, ayun, pinilit ni Lucero.
Forward pass. Touchdown! Bernardo, who now has 13 points. The breakout star for JRU today, and JRU establishes the first double-digit lead of the game.
Baka hindi ulit na tumira kasi kanina pa niya hinahanap yung defense niya. Pero bigla siya nag-create ng move na may napakaganda pang sidestep with the finish. Wow, ang galing. Napakaganda ng sidestep na yun.
And that's why they have this lead, 12-8. Justin Sanchez, somehow gets the reverse. Plus, balik sa ating laban. Ito yung bangga kay Novi Lucero kanina. EAC was looking for a foul there and that led to a touchdown finish by Renz Bernardo. Oh yeah, you saw it, or you're seeing it in the reaction of Coach Jerson Cabiltes. Nabangga itong si Novi Lucero and he was looking for the foul in the previous play. But we play on.
Oo, pag hindi pumito ang referee, kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang.
Yeah. It's the biggest lead for JRU. Unang beses lumobo ng ganito ang abante ng Heavy Bombers.
Kailangan din dito maging steady nitong ni Lucero on offense kasi he was forcing his shot.
Oh yeah.
Alam mo yun? Nakaka-atake siya ng libre. The next thing that he needs to do, hanapin niya yung libre. Kasi if you were asking for a bailout call na pumasok ka doon sa land of the giant, mahirap eh. Mahirap eh.
Unless walang nag-help sa'yo. Unless meron kang lane.
Meron for sure. Hindi pa pwedeng mag-isa ka lang dyan na aatake ka lang ng libre-libre.
That's right. Axel Doromal now. Sends it out. Tagsanhan from the corner.
Malakas.
Too strong and Bernardo collects the board. Ito naman si Renz Bernardo. Almost a pickpocket from behind by Lucero. Hindi nga lang nakompleto.
Tumama lang sa tuhod.
Ito yung hinahanap na foul ng EAC.
They were asking for an offensive foul dito sa ni Bernardo. Pero pag tingnan mo on the previous play, ang kinuhanan niya ng rebound doon is yung pad. Diba? Maganda lang yung position nito ni Bernardo na box out niya sa yung pad. Nakuhanan niya ng rebound. Yung ganun kalaki.
This adds to the woes of JRU. or of EAC. Dahil natawagan sila ng technical pero hindi naka-convert si MJ Raimundo.
Free throws na naman.
Yeah. Almost 4 minutes. Having gone by here in the fourth quarter.
That's their 10th miss sa free throws para dito sa mga taga-Jerry. Backdoor again.
Uy!
Uy! Ganda ng backdoor sana na yun.
JRU recovers. Key up for 3.
Short.
Wala. Rebound for Lucero.
Muntik na naman yung makuha yung rebound doon. Diba? Yun yung kailangan pag-aralan eh. He already take the shot, tapos nakakapasok pa siya. Yung defender niya, he needs to box him out. He already had like 11 rebounds, 6 defensive, and 5 offensive.
Yeah.
Pag tinignan mo. Diba? He's already in double-double na dito si Giyab.
Giyab, yeah. 16 and 11.
And 5 yung offensive ah. Hindi defensive rebound yun. Offensive. 5.
Precisely. Okay. EAC badly needs an answer. They haven't scored in the fourth quarter. Ito, 9-0 run for JRU in the fourth. Retrieval from Doromal. Naabuelo si Axel. Nailusot.
Malakas.
And Doromal puts it up and in.
Naawa. Buti na lang nakuha ni Doromal. Kasi yung inatake na ni Lucero yun.
Axel did.
Inatake na ni Lucero on one end. Pero wala na siyang pupuntahan. Buti na lang napasa niya rin sa labas kay Doromal.
Ito yung buwelo ni Axel Doromal. Blowing by Raimundo that time to get this bucket. Second basket ni Axel Doromal.
Akala natin wala na eh. Lalabas na yun eh. Pero naahawa yung bola.
Okay. Yeah, that was that's clear contact on the part of Doromal. Argente makes the first.
Ang problema, ang pinaul niya rito si Argente.
Yun. This guy hasn't made a field goal in this game. Bibigyan mo siya ng chance ngayon. Makita na makashoot, ano?
Ayan na.
Na ma-shoot yung kanya mga tira.
Diba? Pwede pampainit ni Argente to na makashoot lang. Kasi sa field goals, medyo struggling siya.
Yeah. 61-51.
Ito na naman yung hound ng...
Oh!
Ito na naman yung pressure defense itong JRU.
At hindi pa nakakahanap ng solusyon dyan itong EAC.
Kanina pa.
Yeah.
From the start. Ayan, pinick up kasi ni Lucero yung bola.
Yun o.
Hinound siya dito ni ano. Hindi siya pinabayaan ni Bernardo. Miscommunication between him and Gortiza.
Bernardo. 13 points today for Renz Bernardo. Eto na siya. On top. Oh, he forced it. Well, he needed to hoist it.
Actually, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Kasi
shot clock.
last 2 seconds na lang yun.
So, halfway done sa ating fourth quarter.
They need to do something here. Itong EAC. Kasi 10 na to. With 5 minutes. Wala
Lucero,
na naman.
Masyado malakas.
Naandun eh.
Yeah. He's been getting to the spots no? Around the basket. Hindi lang talaga
Hindi
pumapasok.
lang napapasok. Kung ako dito sa EAC, ibibigay ko na kay Gortiza ang bola.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, money time na eh.
Yeah.
Kanina pa hindi nakakahawak si Gortiza.
De Leon, Umpad bothering the shot. Harvey is on the move. Tagsanhan attacks the defense. And that's gonna be a foul on Bernardo.
Pag tinignan mo, libre si Gortiza dun sa corner. Pero he tend to take it. Oh no! He teaches a foul.
Yeah.
He gets fouled. He will earn 2 free throws. Pero mas madali yun pag binigay mo doon kay Gortiza. Diba? Kung hindi nag-move dito si Bernardo, pwede bang offensive foul eh. Diba?
That's a blocking foul on Bernardo. He wasn't in the restricted area. Slightly moving as well. Tagsanhan with the free throws. Yun ang masakit, Big Bo, para sa EAC.
Okay lang na gino-hard mo yung bola na foul ka. Pero you need to make the free throws. Kasi you miss the opportunity of giving it up to Gortiza who can make the basket sa corner. Ayan naman. 1 out of 2.
1 out of 2 for Harvey Pagsanhan. So, 9-point game. 4 minutes and 25 seconds left. That is Bernardo. Oh, here's the pressure. Bernardo.
Naitawid.
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 Diab. Stolen away. Here come the Generals. Harvey has it. Pagsanan. Pagsanan. Ilalabas. Tapasan ni Bernardo. Oh, offensive foul on Renz Bernardo.
Hindi na kailangan gawin yun, no?
Pagsanhan.
Hindi na kailangan gawin.
Yeah, getting into the mix that time.
They already have the ball. Wala na eh. Ayun na.
Siya na
Kumbaga,
ginisip.
wala nang ginagawa si Pagsangan doon. Pababa na lang si Pagsangan, binamp niya pa.
Nagja-jogging na lang si Harvey. Eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Kung pre-measure siya, maintindihan mo. Diba?
Ito na, si King Gortiza. Gortiza!
Yun ang sinasabi ko. Diba? Yun ang sinasabi ko kanina.
15 points for King Gortiza. And EAC is back within 6.
Diba? If on the first of Pagsanghan, he give it up to Gortiza. He makes the shot. He makes another one. 4 points na lang to.
And EAC forces
Rebound
the miss.
naman.
But they cannot secure the ball. Argente! Counters right back!
Yun ang sinasabi natin. Kailangan lang maka-convert itong si Argente. Nakapag siya ng free throws doon. Na libre dito sa labas.
Oh!
It's faking a foul para dito kay Gortiza.
Gortiza will be teed up for the second infraction.
Ito yung kay Argente. Konting puwang lang ang ibigay mo dito sa batang to. He was struggling all throughout the game.
Okay.
Until that shot.
That's his first field goal.
Oo.
Talking about Sean Argente. Go ahead 3 to counter what EAC and King Gortiza just did on the other side. Hold on. Second infraction on King Gortiza on
Faking a foul.
faking a foul. So this will mean another free throw for JRU. Eto big boss, silipin natin to. He took the long 3.
Actually. He's faking a foul.
Yeah. And Giab connects on the free throw. Back to a 10-point lead.
They were asking for a foul doon sa attempt ni ano. Pero pag tinignan mo yung review, parang wala naman eh. I don't know kung ano nakita ni Coach Gerson doon, pero he was asking for a foul.
Heavy Bombers. They're 3 minutes away from their 3rd win. Can they finish the job? Raimundo, crossover on Aftana. Benitez,
Ganda.
double clutch.
Wow!
Lance Benitez. 67-55. Kina blowing by his defender. And banks it home.
Ang bilis nung sagot na yon.
But if you're EAC,
Kailangan mo na bilisan.
bilisan mo,
Wala
and
ka
you
ng
have to
oras.
get the
Oo.
rebounds.
It's either you pressure, make them take the early shot.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, kita mo naman, 8 seconds na lang ang natitira, tsaka pa lang a-attempt dito yung JRU. Eto.
Pumalog para kay Raimundo. Ochavo. Ooh, bounces out.
Sorry miss para dito kay Ochavo.
Yeah, it's been that kind of day for
Oo.
EAC.
You will commend his, kumbaga, yung tapang niya to take it strong.
Yeah.
Binanggaan niya doon si Argente sa gitna. Pero finishing the basket na lang, yun ang kulang.
Ito, this is Bernardo still down after that collision. Teka. Ito yung nangyari. Bernardo. Oh, okay. It was on the rebound sequence with Pagsanhan. Natamaan dun itong si Renz Bernardo. So he'll take a rest.
He done a better job. He done so well. Itong si
Surprise
Bernardo.
bunot. 13 points, 2 rebounds, 3 steals.
Yung plus-minus siya, ang pinakamatindi dyan. Plus 16.
Plus 16. Yun na nga. Pressure by EAC. Giab. Samontanes with the catch. Great sequence from JRU and Giab. Up and in, pocket and beyond for Joshua Giab. 2+1 special.
If you will see it, it's an early shot. Pero it's a made basket kasi. Kumbaga pwede nang hawakan dito eh. Oh. Pero nakita niya si Giab, he was running and one.
Wow.
Napapaliyad na lang si Coach Louie doon eh.
Giab with 19 points and 12 rebounds today. Grabe yung tinrabaho ni Giab.
12 rebounds. 5 out of that is offensive boards.
Yeah. Now he has a bonus.
Uy, lumabas.
Usually a good free throw shooter. Lumabas lang doon. Ochavo.
They need to generate early.
Down the middle. Wala pa rin, Big Bo.
The referee will review this because it's
under 2 minutes.
Under 2 minutes na lang.
That was Manacho. Missing. Daming ganun ang iisi ngayon, Nando na.
Tumama sa tuhod ni Milyon.
So mukhang EAC will have it again.
Kaya naman si Ochavo ay nagwawala doon dahil alam yung talagang hinihingi niya yung review na yun.
But again, Big Bo sa season natin so far. They reversed the call. EAC basketball. Dami na nating nakita. Dami nang nangyari na sa loob ng huling 2 minuto ng laban natin. Mga teams na nakakahabol. So, if you're JRU, you gotta keep playing. If you're EAC, di ka pa rin dapat mawala ng pag-asa.
Oo. Kailangan mong gawa ng paraan to ng habang na. Ngayon pa lang, eto, Kenal.
Kenal off the screen.
Inline, short.
Offensive rebound. Bagay will try.
Wala.
Off the heel. Kenal, wala pa rin. 3 chances.
Ang dami nun.
Missed by EAC.
Nandun yung chance of them making baskets. Kaya lang hindi nila ma-shoot yung bola.
Yeah. Wow.
3 tries. The first one by Kenal is an inline eh.
Good
yung
look.
tira niya eh. Good look eh. Tapos the next one is Bagay. Is on top. Rebound ulit ni Kenal. Talagang hindi lang ma-shoot.
So now, it is March De Leon proceeding to these free throws. He takes care of the first. De Leon. Bago yun 1 out of 4 lang. Sa linya. But he makes it count right here in the payoff period.
EAC ball.
Yeah. Nadaples.
Na-deflect yun ni Raimundo. Yung pasa niya.
1 minute and 14. JRU crowd chanting defense. No Gurtiza, no Pagsanhan, no Doromal. No Oftana on the court for Coach Gerson's team.
Si Kenal lang. Si Kenal, tsaka itong si Ochavo. Wala rin si Lucero.
Yeah, no Lucero as well. Naghahanap na ng tamang kombinasyon at player na magsisimula ng run para sa EAC.
Short.
That was a forced shot. Bagay daw cleans it up. So it's down to 12. Here comes the pressure. Argente. Raimundo. Again, JRU has been excellent with the press break.
Oo, nagagawa nila ng paraan eh. Kahit na naandun yung pressure, nahahanap, alam mo yun, hindi sila ganong karatel. Nahahanap nila yung libreng tao.
Sean is fouled.
Okay, pag tinignan mo na naman yung shot clock nila, 5 seconds na lang ang natitira.
Yeah.
Diba? If you were EAC, you need to pressure him. Drumibol ka na, atakihin mo na agad. Hindi mo pwedeng antay maubos yung 24 kasi hindi mo kakampi ang oras dito.
Kasi lahat yun pabor sa JRU. Naitawid nila, nakapakaraming oras.
Uubusin mo pa.
Naubos.
Diba?
And JRU,
I think it's safe to say na JRU will survive this one.
will get back to the winning track dito po sa Season 100.
And magkakaano na sila sa standings. Kumbaga, dikit-dikit na sila halos.
This will hurt EAC. Forward pass, Argente with the finishing touches. 16-point lead for JRU. Ochavo is still trying. 29.6 left in the game. Raimundo will just wait it out. About a 5-second difference between our clocks. Four seconds. Big W here for JRU. Teka lang daw.
Masaya yung mga katabi natin dito dahil hindi tayo mag-uoti ngayong araw na to.
Sabi sa inyo, hindi kami yun. Okay. Here's the heave. Teka. Okay, they're just trying to determine how much time left we have in this game. 6.2 seconds.
6.2 seconds.
If the JRU will win this one, most likely, they will be in 3 and 5.
Yeah, 3 and 5.
Tabla sila ng EAC sa 3 and 5.
That's right.
So,
okay. And the Heavy Bombers have done it. Third win for JRU in Season 100. They defeat EAC 75-63. Coach Louis Gonzalez and his boys are back in the win column. Big win for JRU today to stay on track here in the elimination round. Para naman dito sa EAC, this is a hurtful loss for them, especially after a big win against LPU.
Oo,
diba?
Yun na nga.
Hindi nila na-compound, hindi nila na-follow pa ng panalo din.
Kumbaga yung kumpiyansa nila doon, kailangan nadala nila dito. They were in the game for most like
Yeah.